What if I told you this rare Panther Pink Mopar is worth nearly $170,000? And the moment that 440 big block roars to life, you'll understand exactly why. The year is 1970, and the American muscle car war is at its absolute peak. Every manufacturer is fighting to build the fastest, boldest, and most unforgettable performance machine ever to hit the streets. Then Dodge unleashed something that would become an icon, the legendary 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. This isn't just another classic muscle car. This is a professionally rotisserie-restored masterpiece powered by a massive 440 cubic inch V8 backed by the legendary 727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission, finished in one of the rarest and most eye-catching factory colors ever offered, original FM3 Panther Pink. With an asking price of $169,900, this Challenger isn't simply transportation, it's rolling American history. One look at this Challenger, and it's impossible to ignore. The long sculpted hood, the aggressive front grille, the muscular body lines, and that unmistakable wide stance instantly command attention. Everything about the Challenger RT was designed to intimidate the competition before the engine was even started, but then your eyes are drawn to the paint. FM3 Panther Pink is one of Dodge's most famous and collectible factory colors. Loud, bold, and incredibly rare, this vibrant finish transforms an already legendary muscle car into an automotive superstar. Whether parked at a car show or cruising down the highway, this Challenger attracts crowds wherever it goes. The quality of the rotisserie restoration is immediately obvious. Every body panel aligns beautifully. Every chrome trim piece sparkles like new. The bumpers shine flawlessly, and the undercarriage is just as clean as the exterior, proving that no detail was overlooked during the restoration process. Open the hood, and that's where the real excitement begins. Sitting proudly between the fenders is Chrysler's legendary 440 cubic inch Magnum V8. This massive big block engine became famous for delivering relentless torque and effortless power. Built during the golden era of American performance, the 440 wasn't created to be subtle. It was built to dominate. Turn the key, the starter spins, a deep thunder erupts from the exhaust as the giant V8 comes to life. The unmistakable Mopar rumble fills the air with a sound that modern performance cars simply cannot replicate. Every pulse of the engine reminds you why big block muscle cars remain some of the most desirable collector vehicles ever built. Sending that incredible power to the rear wheels is Dodge's legendary 727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission, known as one of the strongest automatic transmissions ever produced. The 727 delivers smooth shifts while easily handling the immense torque of the 440 V8. It's durable, reliable, and perfectly suited for both comfortable cruising and spirited acceleration. Behind the wheel, this Challenger feels every bit like the muscle car legend enthusiasts dream about. Power steering makes low-speed maneuvering surprisingly effortless, while power brakes provide confident stopping performance. Together, these features allow the driver to enjoy the raw character of this classic without sacrificing comfort and drivability. Step inside, and you're instantly transported back to 1970. The beautifully restored factory-style interior surrounds you with timeless Mopar design. Comfortable bucket seats invite you to settle in, while the center console, classic dashboard, and rally-inspired gauges remind you this machine was built for performance. The original style steering wheel feels substantial in your hands, and every switch, knob, and trim piece reflects the craftsmanship that made Dodge muscle cars legendary. Unlike many classics that spend their lives hidden away, this Challenger was built to be driven, admired, and experienced. Imagine pulling into a local cruise night. Before the engine even shuts off, people are already walking toward the car. Some remember owning one decades ago. Others have dreamed about seeing a real Panther Pink Challenger in person. Cameras come out, conversations begin. Children point in amazement while lifelong Mopar enthusiasts admire every detail. That's the magic of this car. It creates memories wherever it goes. Classic muscle cars continue to grow in popularity, but very few combine all the ingredients collectors want. A professionally rotisserie-restored example, the legendary 440 big block V8, the bulletproof 727 automatic transmission, factory power steering and power brakes, and perhaps most importantly, the incredibly rare original FM3 Panther Pink finish. Together, these features transform this Challenger from an already desirable muscle car into one of the most recognizable Mopars on the market. It's no surprise this exceptional example carries an asking price of $169,900. Understand that rare colors, outstanding restorations, and legendary powertrains create lasting value. While trends come and go, iconic American muscle cars like this continue to capture the hearts of enthusiasts around the world. The 1970 Challenger RT represents more than horsepower. It represents freedom. It represents an era when American manufacturers competed without compromise. It represents bold styling, unforgettable performance, and timeless craftsmanship that continues to inspire generations. More than 5 decades later, this Panther Pink Challenger still turns heads faster than many modern supercars. Its aggressive styling remains unforgettable. Its 440 V8 still delivers breathtaking performance. Its presence still dominates every road it travels, and its story continues to grow with every new owner fortunate enough to experience it. This isn't simply another restored classic, it's an investment. It's a conversation starter. It's a symbol of American automotive excellence. Most importantly, it's one of the finest examples of what made the golden age of muscle cars truly unforgettable. If you've ever dreamed of owning one of Dodge's greatest creations, this beautifully restored 1970 Dodge Challenger RT proves that some legends never fade. They only become more valuable, more desirable, and more extraordinary with time. If you enjoyed this incredible Mopar masterpiece, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more rare classic muscle cars, collector icons, and automotive legends. Until next time, keep your passion alive, keep chasing automotive history, and we'll see you in the next video.